So Lasse, Tresemme are hosting the Blowout Bar here at Nytorv today and tomorrow, and at Fields on Saturday. What is it you offer here at the Blowout Bar?
We offer people to come by and have a blow dry their hair or styling their hair. Yeah, trying out new products from Tresemme and yeah, just to have a good time. Yeah.
Tresemme is launching a new series called Perfectly Undone. Tell us a little bit about the series and what's your favorite product?
The series is about styling your hair in a new way or making it easier to style your hair in a new way. It's very good for Scandinavian or Nordic hair, you can say, because it's often very fine, so it gives it a natural volume into it, and it makes it easier to wave in different way, either if you want it like a rock and roll kind of style or you want it more preppy 70s disco kind of feeling or whatever. Yeah. And my favorite product from that series is a sea salt spray, which is yeah, as the name says, it's a sea salt. It really makes a good volume in a natural way to the hair. Yeah.